Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So we have already started our chapter 5, that is separation of substance. So in the last video I have explained you about the pure substance and mixtures. Today we will start our new topic. So next topic we have, that is need for separation. Means we have learned about the pure substance and the mixture. Now we have to learn what is the need of separation, why we separate the things, we separate the components from the mixtures. Like the example is given, if we are eating a mixture, we are eating a namkeen. So there are some of you will like the groundnuts, you really like the groundnuts. So what you do, you just pick them out first and eat them first, then you will eat the remaining namkeen. But still there are few people who didn't like the groundnuts. So what they will do, they will just take out the groundnuts separately, and other namkeen, remaining namkeen, they will eat. So this is the, so that means we are doing the separation, or we are separating one component from the mixture just for make to suitable to eat. We are making it suitable to eat. So we are just separating one component from the mixture, so it will be suitable for our taste. Okay, so that means we are separating the component from the mixture on our convenience, according to our convenience. Okay, now we all know that a mixture contains two or more substances in any ratio. It always, it doesn't necessarily mean that all the components will be in equal ratio. We will have the substance in any ratio. So the combination of two or more substance is called as a mixture. Now the substance which is present in the mixture are known as components of a mixture. Like in a namkeen, we have the groundnut, okay, we have the pulses. So these are the components of the mixture. So now we have to learn what is the need of separation of components in the mixtures. There will be so many reasons, there will be the various reasons, so we will talk one by one. So first reason we have to remove the components from the mixtures, to remove the undesirable and harmful components. So this is the first reason why we separate the components from the mixture, so that we can remove some undesirable and harmful components. Like if we have taken a grains, a bowl of grains. So before making the grains, or before making, either we have taken the rice, if we have taken the pulse, we have taken the wheat. So before making, it is our responsibility, we will assure that there will be no stones, there will be no pieces of stones. So what we do, we just pick it out small pieces of stones, because if the stones will be there in our food, so it will be harmful for us. The first reason for removing the components, for separating the component from the mixture, is to removing the undesirable and harmful components. Okay, the second is to remove the impurities. What is the impurities? Impurities, that is unwanted particles in the substance. Okay, what are the impurities? Unwanted particles or unwanted substance particles in the substance. So second reason, we have to remove the impurities, so we will get the pure form of us, pure sample of the substance. Like if we are talking about the magicians, riches, industries, or in our daily life, we need the pure substance. We don't need the substance which have the impurity. Same if we are taking the water, so we don't want that the water contains some impurities, we also filter the water. So this is the need, that we separate the components from the mixtures. Also second reason, to remove the impurities which is present in our pure substance. Okay, now the third one is to separate useful components of a mixture, so that components can properly used. Means the third reason, a mixture is there, but we are not we have to take all the separate components, because they have the different properties. So we just want to separate each component from the mixture, so one by one we can use according to their properties. Like in the crude petroleum, what is the crude petroleum? Which the liquid which we directly get from the earth. or which whenever the earth is dug out, directly we get that liquid is called as crude petroleum. Now crude petroleum also contains petrol, diesel, kerosene. Now all these liquid have their different properties, means petrol is used in different way, diesel is used in different way, and kerosene is used in different way. So in this way we cannot use the crude petroleum. So we cannot use the crude petroleum. We have to find separate some component of the crude petroleum from the mixture, like petrol, diesel, kerosene, so we can use them separately. So these are the need of separations. Basically we have learned three reasons to separating element, separating substance from any mixture, so we can get it the pure form of any particles, any substance. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the difficult word and write their and also learn their spelling with their meaning. This is the assignment for today which you have to complete it today.